The recipe code generator simplifies the integration of the recipe into your pylon-based application. In this video, we will demonstrate the easy process of generating sample code using this tool, as well as guide you on loading and executing it within your development environment. To integrate the recipe into your application, connect the data pins of your interest into the output terminal. Then save the recipe. Next, open the recipe code generator from the Workbench toolbar. Specify a recipe name and click on Generate. This automatically generates sample code from your recipe, providing a platform-independent way to manage and build your projects in your development environment. Save time and minimize errors during implementation. Easily retrieve your result data and get ready to develop your application. To learn more, visit the Basler product documentation page. Pylon vTools, image processing made easy.